It's the first of its kind in Canada. We're aboard the Saskatoon Tribal Council mobile bus today. Troy Davies is here to tell us all about it. Troy, amazing. We're looking around and seeing what this is capable of. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, this is kind of in line with what we've been talking about with Paramedic Services Week all this week, just on the different roles that paramedics are playing, and not just the emergency calls and typical day-to-day calls that we do daily. So this is going to launch in September. So this is a brand new of its kind, first in Canada bus. We've got some shots we're going to show you of the dental clinic, but it's a mobile bus with a mental health worker, a dentist, a dental assistant, and a paramedic. And we've partnered with Saskatoon Tribal Council, the province of Saskatchewan, and the government of Canada to have this bus go out to the 7 First Nation communities that make up Tribal Council. So it's going to go 5 days a week starting in September.
So what sort of a need is this addressing in Saskatchewan, and how is it determined where the bus goes and when it goes there?
We were approached by Tribal Chief Mark Arcand with concerns on, just having amenities in First Nation communities, and how if we had something like this on site, it would really save, province down the road, the health authority, resources and time and money on having kids treated right on site. So we've got over 1,400 children within those reserves that are going to have direct access to a dentist and a dental assistant getting work done on reserve. We've got over 15,000 people within these communities that'll have a mental health worker on site, 5 days a week on each location.
And it's amazing to see that need being addressed. I imagine there's a close partnership between the Medavie Health Services and the Saskatoon Tribal Council in determining where the bus goes and where it ends up at that moment.
Yeah, we had a key stakeholder meeting yesterday, actually, with all the health directors from each community, First Nations community that's involved in this, with us and our paramedics. And it's going to be, like I said, it all comes down to relationships and building trust within people in those communities. So, we're extremely excited to start a different role, and it kind of mirrors the role that we play on the health bus currently in the city of Saskatoon that runs in our inner core neighborhoods here. So. We're not starting from scratch. We do have the data of the success that the health bus has had in this city, and that's kind of where we got this idea from.
How will it be staffed? Because obviously you need some special, there's expertise that is involved with dentistry and mental health. So talk about the staff who will be on this bus.
Yeah, our mental health team has been great. We're going to announce them in September as well as coming on board as a key player for us. And then Parviz Yazdani is our dentist. So Parviz came to us. He actually was looking to do something like this on his own, and realized that Synergy Community Builders we're moving forward to do a campaign like this. So, it's just lucky how, you hear different things, you meet different people, and it just all comes together because you're doing it for the right reasons. So.
And it's interesting that this is the first of its kind in Canada. I mean, to have a unit where you can actually do this type of work, this type of dentistry on a bus, that's amazing.
It is, and again, without the government of Canada and the province of Saskatchewan coming on with the $2.5 million that they're going to split 50-50 over the next 5 years, we wouldn't be able to do this. So a huge kudos for them to thinking outside the box on offering these services. And our ultimate goal is make this permanent funding and then build more buses for more First Nation communities in the province.
And maybe you can see this across Canada someday. It'll catch on as well. Something we're talking about during Paramedic Services Week. Troy, thank you so much for doing this today. It's amazing, this tour.
Thanks for having us. Maybe we'll take a quick road trip and try it out, but we appreciate you being here today.
All right, thank you.